Describe an outdoor activity you did.
Woohoo! It's time to learn follow-up questions.
Is having outdoor activities important to people?
Yes, outdoor activities are important to many people for various reasons, including physical health, mental well-being, social interaction, and appreciation of nature.
Do people go outdoors more or less now than in the past?
The trend of outdoor activities varies depending on factors like lifestyle changes, technology, and cultural shifts. While some people may spend more time indoors due to technological advancements, others prioritize outdoor activities for health and leisure. Overall, it's challenging to make a blanket statement about whether people go outdoors more or less compared to the past, as it can differ based on individual preferences and societal trends.
What can people do outdoors besides exercising?
There are numerous outdoor activities people can enjoy besides exercising, such as picnicking, birdwatching, gardening, hiking, camping, fishing, kayaking, paddleboarding, photography, painting, stargazing, or simply relaxing in nature.
When do people usually go outdoors to get close to nature?
People typically go outdoors to get close to nature during the spring and summer months when the weather is warmer and more conducive to outdoor activities. Additionally, weekends and holidays are popular times for outdoor adventures.
What can people do to get close to nature?
To get close to nature, people can spend time outdoors, engaging in activities like hiking, camping, or picnicking in parks. They can also participate in nature conservation efforts by volunteering for cleanup events or joining local environmental organizations. Taking up hobbies such as gardening or birdwatching can foster a deeper connection with the natural world. Additionally, simply taking regular walks in green spaces or visiting botanical gardens can provide opportunities to appreciate and connect with nature.
Do people like doing outdoor activities in the winter time?
Yes, many people enjoy outdoor activities in the winter, such as skiing, snowboarding, ice skating, snowshoeing, and even just taking scenic walks in snowy landscapes.
Thank you all for your participation and attention today. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on future content. And as always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable to us. Alright, it's time for me to sign off. Until next time, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and goodbye.